the pre-show. And here's going to be an example as to some of the type of pre-shows you might normally get. First of all, they're usually 5 to 20 minutes before the event starts. And if you've been to a Tony Robbins event, you'll see the type of stuff that they do. If you've been to some other smaller events by speakers or coaches, that might have been a little different. So a lot of times what you see is something like this. Let's make it up here. Your Zoom audience. Not even one video is spotlit. So when you came in, you should have seen my screen with the flashing lights and the countdown as an example. A lot of times you come in and you see this. And if this is a small little intimate group, that's totally acceptable. Keep in mind, we're talking about audience connection, about how you raise the value of what you provide. And it starts right when people enter the Zoom meeting. But what if instead of this, you saw something like this? One video is spotlighted. There's an animation. Perhaps we want to put a logo on it. So let's put a logo on it. Oh, how about a countdown timer so people know when it starts? Yeah, there we go. There's a countdown timer. And some music playing that is not playing right now. I could play it if I wanted to. And then maybe some B-roll of the type of stuff that you do to really tell people, look, we are doing this. You're in the right place. That is a complete different experience than the Zoom gallery view that you might have seen before. It's super simple. Make a video and share the video as people come on a Zoom call. If you have a 2-minute, 3-minute, maybe video of some of these elements in it, then you can just share your screen on Zoom, and instead of selecting your desktop, you select that video, enable sound, and enable share as video clip, and you're good to go. You share that, and when people come onto the Zoom call, they now see a professional video countdown with music. And you can use it over and over and over. Every time you want to do an event, you just start like that.